Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
Let us solve today's DC using Python programming language. The program have to accept an integer n as input and then it must print the nth term in the following series. The series will be 0, 0, 1, 4, 9, 20, 41, 84, 169, 340 and so on. So for calculating this series, always the series of index 1, that is series first element, will be 0 and then series of second element will be always 1. So the first two elements are 0 and 1. And for calculating the nth term in the series, that is series of k, which is equal to series of k minus 1, that is the series of the previous term, plus series of k minus 2 times 2 plus 3. So this will be the logic for getting the series of n element. So the first term will be 0, second term will be 1, and for calculating kth element, series of k minus 1, series of k minus 2 times 2 plus 3 will be the logic. So now let us consider for our test case. So we are accepting an integer n and you have to print the nth term in the following series, and this is the format. 1 is equal to 0 and 2 is equal to 1, and for calculating k, this will be the required logic, plus 3. So now let us consider our test case. So if n is equal to 4 means the series will be in the format of, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 9. 9 will be printed as our output. So now let us consider for our next test case, that is 11. If n is equal to 11 means one, 3, 6, 4 will be printed as our output. So these are the test cases. Now let us implement our logic using Python 3. So first let us get the integer n as input from the user. So integer n as input, and then let us have an empty list called series, which will be having 0 and 1 because it is the starting first two elements. So now we have to iterate in the integer n for calculating the series. So for CTR in range 1 comma n plus 1, so we have to find the value. So series dot append, find the value and append it to the series. So series dot append series of k minus 1, k minus 2 times 2 plus 3 is the formula. So series of previous term, that is minus 1, plus series of minus 2 times 2 plus 3. So this will return the element to be appended to the series. So after appending, we have to print the nth term as output from the series list. So we are accepting integer n as input, and in the series we are having first two value as 0 and 1 because it will be the starting, and we are iterating over the integer n for calculating the number. So series dot append series of -1, that is previous element, plus series of -2 times 2 plus 3. So this will give the element to be appended, and finally we are printing the nth term as output from the series list. So this will be our required code for solving today's DC.